Hello, Mad Scientists and Innovators. This week is all about mad science and cool innovations. Hi, so you've received a couple PDFs in your email, and those PDFs are meant to walk you through the week, and they're meant for the kids. So for the first PDF, you can cut it out for the little guys, the toddlers and the preschoolers, and they can kind of choose their own invention by using this daily planner over here that you can print out. And then put in these little envelopes, the cutouts, and they can pick and choose what activity they want to do and put it on the daily planner. The next PDF that you have is actually an interactive PDF, and that one is like you see over here. And all of these links are clickable and go directly to the website where your child can do the art, craft, or science, or learn to draw. So really easy to follow, and it's all Mad Scientists and Innovators this week. And as usual, we would love for you to tag us at Artebula on Instagram so we can share all of your cool creations to our stories. Have fun, guys, and don't forget to tag us.
Why don't you keep your artwork forever in the Artebula app? Download it today from the Google Play Store or the App Store.